Hello everybody, and welcome to this quick update video with the Shogun Sport that's just behind me. I've recently had a question from Gordon Fitzsimmons on the YouTube channel. Sorry if I've pronounced that completely wrong, mate. But regarding the headlights on this one. As you can see, she's all nice and clean, but the headlights on this, as you can see from this, is still very cloudy, very rough looking. It's only just past MOT because the beam was not the best on it. I got them back to this, which was actually better than when I first got it, using a cutting compound like a G3, sort of like a T-cut that body shops and people use to get rid of scratches in bodywork. However, because they've started to become cloudy again, I think my next option is to use grades of sandpaper. Maybe start off with a 1500 or 1000 grit and then work my way to a very fine 2000 grit, and then give them another good buff and polish with the cutting compound, and then a good polish afterwards, and hopefully that will bring them back to crystal clear. It is something I will be doing in the future, and it's something I will be doing a video on when I actually get round to doing it as well. But I hope this has helped some of you out. If you've got any other questions, by all means fire them into the comments below. I always try and respond to everybody, and yeah, stay tuned, and like I say, that will be an up and coming video on this channel. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.